876 Streets is powered by
Massive Auto Parts. Quality parts and cars at unbeatable prices.
Swift Team Services. Your freight, our priority.
Jeffrey Constructions Limited. It's all in the name.
Hi, Doug Hollywood here. We're here at Dover Raceway. We had a little couple gremlins that were sorting out the car, but the car looks like it's back okay again. We're on pole position for the first MP4 race. So looking forward to a good day, a trouble-free day, so that we can put the car back on the record and go home at the end of the day with 3 wins. So that's the whole plan, and looking very forward to it. So far, so good.
Awesome. And it's great to actually see you back here. How long has it been?
Yeah, we missed the first 2 races for the season. After that, now my sponsors came back and said, "Doug, we need to see you back out on the track." So we decided to come. Hopefully everything will run well, and then you'll see us back now August for the end of the year event. So yeah, so far so good. It's good to be back. Good to spend the race gas and all the burning tires. So yeah, really, really nice to be here. Yeah, we had a little problem. The brakes failed on me a while ago. Found out that the new setup that I had with the car didn't work out as planned, and that was what was causing the brakes to actually bind. So we reverted back a little back to the old setup. We were trying to see what time we could go down to, but honestly, I'm just going to go there and just have some fun right now.
Alright. So we'll check back with you later for some more.
Yes, please, make sure. 876.
Alright.
anytime now. Anytime. Yeah, man,
ATMs across the island are connected wirelessly by IslandNet. So are supermarkets you know and trust. We provide the data connections and business services for public Wi-Fi platforms and connect banks and their branches island-wide. We've been there for factories, events, hotels, and the list goes on. We are IslandNet. We mean business. Let us support yours.
I'm Tommy Gore.
Awesome. And how is today for you so far? And are you racing?
So it's my first time in 6 years not racing at Dover Raceway. I'm still here supporting my dad, Doug Gore. Come in here in the MP4 class, come to show them how it's done, you know. I know we missed the Easter meet, but we're back for the rest of the year and hopefully contesting for the championship with Team Obey Racing. I'm looking forward to it. It's a good showing. I'm glad to see everybody out today and having fun. And most importantly, being safe. And the JRDC and Swiftly have put on a great event. And you guys with 876 Streets have done some great coverage. And I love what we see. So I'm looking forward to the rest of the year and big up. And make sure you tune in for the rest of the races. The beast will be there right at the front.
Alright. Next question would be, what's next for you in the international series?
So actually this week, one of the reasons why I didn't take out like my street car or something to come race Super Street was because this week I'm going up to Germany on Wednesday to race at Nürburgring, which is one of the only street circuits in Europe. And it's going to be a great opportunity for me to again showcase our Jamaican talent on the mainstream scene up there in Europe, but also showcase what we can learn back here at home. You know, I'm going there as a learning with an open mind and see what I can bring back to Jamaica and say, hey, what can we improve here? What improvements can we make to the truck, to the cars, to the drivers, and overall bring Jamaican circuit racing to a higher level so that now more people can get the opportunity to go and compete competitively internationally.
Perfect. And will you be racing in the next meet here in Jamaica?
I'm not sure yet. Next meet coming, I'm not sure what I'm doing yet. It's a bit ways down the way, and I have the rally car that I've just built. Maybe we'll convert it and come for an IP and show them how it's done, you know? Take over the MP and the IP class victory. So maybe that's the plan. I'll see how it goes the rest of the year. We bought some tarmac sprint for my rally car. It's an Evo 8, so it fit in perfectly with the grid. You know, these guys have some quick cars with Sheldon and Massey and Swiftly, and the Larman crew over there, the A1 team, and they're right at the front right now. So it's a tall task to go and take them on, but I'm looking forward to it, and hopefully I can come back and help build up the sport again in all the genres.
Perfect. And we'll be looking forward to it, and thank you so much.
Yeah, man, thank you. Big up 876 Street for the cup.
Thank you for watching another video production of 876 Streets. Subscribing to our channel definitely means a lot to us. Thanks for your continuous support.
I've been thinking about your love tonight.